LG Q Stylus Jode with IP68 certification and a stylus launches in India after announcing its Q Stylus lineup 3 months ago. The LG Q Stylus Jode finally makes it to the Indian market. The device aims to offer stylus functionality, hence the name, at a budget price point. It has a 6.2-inch screen with FHD Jode resolution 1080 by 2160 pixels and 18:9 aspect ratio. The chipset is MediaTek MP6750S with octa-core CPU, 4x Cortex at 1.5 GHz and 4x Cortex at 1.0 GHz, and the GPU is a Mali T860. RAM is 4 GB and internal storage is 64 GB, expandable via the microSD card slot. The back of the device houses a single 8 MP unit and a fingerprint scanner, while the front has an 8 MP selfie camera. A 3300 mAh battery keeps the show running, and the device ships with Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. The most notable feature of the handset is the IP68 certification against water and dust and the MIL DD810G military-grade standard compliance. It's not easy to find those two in a budget smartphone. But budget doesn't necessarily mean good value, as there are plenty of other Chinese brands with better hardware for the asking price. Still, if the stylus is a must-have feature, you will have to spend 21,990 Indian rupees $308 for the LG Q Stylus Jode. It will be made available in offline stores starting September 5th.